Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about what generative AI is, how it works, real world applications, who can use it, and how to get started, its limitations, and the future of this technology. Let's get started. What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to a category of artificial intelligence systems designed to create new original content. This can include text, images, audios, videos, 3D models. Unlike traditional AI systems, which analyze or classify data, generative AI creates new content that resembles the input it has learned from. The most well known examples are tools like ChatGPT, DALI, Stable Diffusion, and deepfake technology. How does generative AI work? Generative AI systems are built using advanced machine learning techniques, practically deep learning. Here's a simple breakdown. Training with data. Generative AI models are trained on massive data sets such as images, text, or audio. The AI learns patterns, structures, and styles from the data. Neural networks. Neural networks, especially architectures like transformers, play a key role. Transformers, such as those used in GPT, allow the AI to process and generate sequences, whether it's text, audio, or visual data. Generative AI techniques. Generative adversarial networks. Two networks work together, one generates content while the other evaluates its quality. Diffusion modules. Use it to generate images with tools like DALI, Stable Diffusion. These modules gradually improve an image from random noise. Autoencoders. These compresses and reconstruct data, often used for tasks like image and video generation. Applications of generative AI. Generative AI is changing various industries. Here are some of its most impactful applications: content creation, design and art, healthcare, entertainment, education, marketing, code and software development, business and data analytics. Generative AI is being adopted across all these fields, showing its versatility and potential to enhance productivity. Who can use generative AI? Generative AI isn't just for experts. It's becoming increasingly accessible, and anyone with an interest can learn and use it. Students use this in learning, writing essays, or developing creative projects. Professionals use it in marketing, design, content creation, and software development. Entrepreneurs use it for branding, creating product prototypes, or automating tasks. Researchers. It will help them for generating synthetic data or exploring new problem solving approaches. Hobbies often use this for entertainment to create art, music, or stories. You don't need to be a programmer to use tools like ChatGPT, DALI, or Canva. Many of these platforms are user friendly and require minimum technical skills. Limitations of generative AI. While generative AI is powerful, it comes with its limitations. Quality concerns. AI might generate content that's biased, incorrect, or inappropriate. Ethical issues. Risks include deepfakes, misinformation, and copyright infringement. High computational cost. Training and running generative AI models require significant computing power. Lack of human understanding. While AI mimics creativity, it doesn't truly understand the content it generates. Future of generative AI. The future of generative AI is incredibly promising. Here are some trends to watch for. Hyper-personalization. AI in everyday tools. Collaborative creativity. Improved ethics. Generative AI is poised to reshape industries, making it a skill worth learning for anyone interested in technology or creativity. Course duration. If you are considering taking a generative AI course, Broly offers you a 2 to 3 month course covering the important syllabus from basic to advanced topics of generative AI, which includes NLP and deep learning, prompt engineering, Gen AI models, and LLMs, and also include capstone projects for hands-on experience. In addition to the course, Broly also conducts soft skill classes and resume preparation to get you ready for a job. After the course completion, based on your performance, we also offer internships where you get to work on real-time projects and gain experience on generative AI. That's not it. After completing the course, we provide certificates which can add value to your resume and increase your chances of landing a job in the world of AI. Comment your doubts or feedback in the comment section. For more details, contact to 8186 844 555 or visit our website now.